Thank you to our customers in the Democratic Republic of Congo for choosing to purchase our rental LED screens and inviting our engineers to assist with installation. In this collaboration, we successfully completed the installation and construction of rental LED screens for EA500C3 and EA1000C3, as well as EA4 LED tile screens, providing exciting visual effects and technical support for the performance. Our rental LED display screen adopts advanced fast lock design, which not only supports curved installation, but also greatly simplifies the installation process, improves installation efficiency and screen flatness. At the same time, the EA04 outdoor tile screen adopts a special design, which performs excellently in terms of load-bearing, protective performance, and heat dissipation performance. Its protection level reaches IP68, which can effectively prevent wind and rain erosion and dust pollution, ensuring long-term stable operation of LED displays outdoors.